Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Mariah. Happy birthday, Lola.
I miss you. Happy birthday about you. God bless, and I hope I see you in Thanksgiving.
Hi, Ate Mariah.
And
I miss you na. Happy birthday. I love you. Hi, Ate Mariah. I miss you na. Sana balik ulit kayo dito. Swimming ulit tayo. Happy birthday. I love you.
Happy birthday, Ate Mariah. We really miss you. We had a great time here with you. I hope to see you again soon. God bless. Happy birthday.
Hello, Momo.
Happy birthday.
Tawa, best, and have a good health. I miss you so much, and I love you. You're always with me. Happy birthday, Insan. Sana maging masaya sa very special na araw mo. I know that you're a very smart girl. Wow! Before I let you go, ano ba yun? To choose the best, to choose the best person, like to be your friend, take your God. Happy birthday. Mwah!
Ayun.
Hello, Mariah. Happy birthday. And more birthdays to come. Take good care of yourself. And God bless you.
Mariah, happy birthday, good luck na lang sa studies mo, saka sa pagkanta mo. Napanood ko yung last video mo sa YouTube, yung I Promise. Yung title ba yun? I Promise. Hindi ko rin alam. Pero maganda siya, pati mga comments. Okay yung mga comments mo doon. Hintayin ko yung susunod mong kanta. Miss na kita. I love you.
Hi, Mo. Sana natandaan mo pa ako. Ako yung pinsan mo si Bejet. Just wanna greet you. Happy birthday and more birthdays to come. Sana magkakita-kita ulit tayo dito. Bumalik kayo dito sa Pilipinas. Namimiss na namin kayo eh. Tita Herman, salamat po sa mga pinibigay niyo sa amin dito. Malaking pasalamat din po namin na nagmamalasakit po kayo sa amin. Yun lang po masasabi ko kasi sa kabaitan yung pinibigay sa amin. Sigurado, wala na po kami masasabi. Thank you po ulit. And God bless. No. birthday.